Yo, welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm reviewing the Ryan's Tag Blaster. So let's get started with this, everybody. Even I got trusty scissors. It's open. Box here. Need a thing. Oh. 1832. That's a Norfolk Southern engine name. And I don't know why I said that. Whoa! Okay, we got a big, huge crate here, which I'm going to go open up over there. So, see ya. Okay, we got it. Now let's open it. Wow! Look at this! I'm gonna get some parts on here, everyone, and get this all nice up. Yeah. This thing. Got a spy thing. We got a spy thing on. Yeah. Pretty cool. Slide this on the track. Got that on. Let's load this up with the darts so we can see how it works and everything. Let's fill this up. So right now I'm gonna pause the video until I get all the darts loaded up on this. So see ya. Okay, one final piece, and I'm all suited up. Whoops. Now one final piece, and boom, all suited up. And I'll see you guys later with another video. That's the inside.